just want to say that I do like popcorn as well. For those of you who think that I don't. But I'm not used to making it with a Whirley Pop until I met this wonderful Magdala Grange.
It's the blended mix. Hey guys, it's the blended mix.
Hey guys, it's the blended mix.
Learning how to make popcorn in a Whirley Pop. Now you could learn from anybody else about how to make popcorn in a Whirley Pop, but it wouldn't be the same as learning it from me, because you see, I've been making popcorn in a Whirley Pop all of my life. So has my mother, so has my grandmother, and probably as many generations back as you could go to find people making popcorn in a Whirley Pop, because I was born Amish and I come from an Amish heritage. And we use a Whirley Pop to make all of our popcorn, especially on Sunday nights. You cannot have a Sunday evening if you did not have popcorn. If you did not have popcorn, you did not have a Sunday evening, okay?
I just want to say that I do like popcorn as well, for those of you who think that I don't. But I'm not used to making it with a Whirley Pop until I met this wonderful Magdala Grange here. I'm old school. I just grab a pot, put some oil in it, because I do think that making your own popcorn is straight up the better way to do it than the microwave version. I just love fresh made popcorn. It has a way of just, it's the best. It's the best. So let's learn how to do it using the Whirley Pop tonight. Let's go. Let's do it.
All right. We use coconut oil, popcorn, the Whirley Pop, and a giant bowl. I always use plenty of coconut oil. If you don't use enough coconut oil, the popcorn kernels really do not pop well. It's important to pop the popcorn at a medium heat. Keep stirring your Whirley Pop, and after about 3 minutes, you'll start to hear an occasional pop as the popcorn kernels start popping. We're done. All the kernels have popped. And there we go, folks.
Okay, one more thing here, if I can get the camera. You see how black this thing is? Why is it black in there? Because they don't believe in washing the Whirley Pop. I don't get that.
No, if you wash this Whirley Pop, it'll change the way it tastes. So you may not wash it. Okay, Kelvin Belfon?
We like washing our stuff back in the Caribbean, okay?
Yeah, but we don't touch the Whirley Pop. We do not put a rag on it. We do not put soap on it. We do not wash this thing. My grandma's Whirley Pop is black all the way on the bottom. Ours is starting to turn black right on the bottom.
It is turning black.
So, you know, pretty soon, you can see a little brown here on the inside. We see black. Pretty soon it'll all be black, and then it'll be a good Whirley Pop. It's okay.
It's okay.
We're gonna break this one in.